Long-distance relationship? Let's be honest. It's not easy. Lalo na pag miss mo siya. But, here's the thing. Intimacy doesn't have to stop just because you're miles apart. With the right toys, especially how advanced they've become, your partner can literally control your pleasure anywhere, everywhere. But how, you may ask? Through your phone. Yup, that's right, you heard it from here. Welcome to Long Distance Toys 101. Hey lovies, it's Marielle, the sex-positive girlie behind all the blogs you see here on Lauvette, lauvette.ph-blog if you're not a reader yet, and your guide to all things intimacy and pleasure. And today, we're breaking down the basics on long-distance love toys, from how they work, why couples love them, and which ones are perfect for you and your partner. First things first, what exactly are long-distance toys? Well, it's quite self-explanatory, at least the first two words are. But basically, these love toys are smart vibrators or strokers that can connect to an app or a device. Meaning, no matter where you are or where your boo is, you can connect your toy in real time through their phone or your phone. Regardless, you're gonna stay connected. Some of these long-distance toys can connect to voice calls, video calls, and music in real time to make the experience a bit or a lot more interactive. It's like you're bridging the physical gap, but virtually. Okay, so you may be wondering, why use and play with long-distance toys? Well, aside from the pleasure, it's also about intimacy. Long-distance toys give you that sense of presence. Instead of just talking on a phone, you really feel their touch, even if it's virtual. On a side note, long-distance toys help keep the spark alive, prevent boredom, and make video calls 100 times spicier. Now, let's talk about the different long-distance toys out there. First, there are the wearable vibrators, like the Lauvette Slush 3 and the Omnibot Esca 2. These vibrators are insertable, super discreet, and can be worn anywhere. Totally perfect for dates or when you're on Zoom or, if you go to a little cafe and wanna get a little bit sneaky. If you're brave enough, of course, but yeah. Next, we have the couples toys, like the WeVibe Chorus. Couples toys can be worn physically during sex, but it also has an app with long-distance control. Totally great for couples who want to feel and ride the vibes. Next, we have syncing toys. Now guys, this one, it's pretty next level. For instance, the Lauvette Max for him and the Lauvette Nora for her can actually sync. So when one love toy moves, the other one reacts. As if neither of you left in the first place. And lastly, we have the high-tech strokers, like the Kira Onyx Plus. This type of long-distance toy are mainly for men, and it can stimulate realistic strokes. Some of these strokers can connect to an immersive video or sync up with a partner's toy for the ultimate immersive experience. Speaking of spicing things up, let's take a quick break, lovies, okay? So if you're curious what to actually try, here are my top picks. First is the Lauvette Slush 3, which is literally an iconic wearable vibrator. It's super discreet and app-controlled, which is definitely perfect for long-distance play. Second, we have the Lauvette Exo Moon app-controlled lipstick vibrator. Looks like a lipstick, works like your best hidden secret in your makeup pouch. And yes, it's also app-controlled for long-distance fun. And lastly, we have the Svacom Sam Neo Interactive Masturbator, which is perfect for solo or partnered fun. You can hand over control to your partner regardless of distance. Plus, it works with interactive 2D videos for a next-level experience. And if you want to explore even more options, check out the description box below. I linked a list of other long-distance toys that you and your partner may love just as much. Now that we discussed pretty much everything about long-distance love toys, you may be wondering, how can I choose the right one for me? One, if you like playing discreetly during video calls or even phone calls, wearing a wearable vibrator will definitely suit the mood. For those who want a shared experience with their partner, syncing toys work best here. Either of you or your partner are very techy and want to get into the whole interactive fun aspect of things, using high-end strokers or app-controlled vibrators are the ones for you. On top of all these things considered, you must also consider these three things: comfort, app reliability, and your budget. Remember, long-distance toys are an investment in your relationship. Okay, now let me give you some quick tips on how to have some fun, long-distance play here, lovies. First, set up a virtual date night where you and your partner both use your love toys. Next, when you're together, communicate on what feels good and what can be improved. On another note, explore and experiment with the various settings of your long-distance toys. And oh, don't rush. Take your time, go at your own pace. Treat this whole night like foreplay, even if it's all virtual. And lastly, and most importantly, have fun and be open-minded with the whole experience. And that, lovies, is your crash course on long-distance toys 101. Being miles apart from your partner doesn't mean losing that intimacy. With the right toy, you and your partner can still share that same connection, pleasure, and excitement. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with, a loved one or even your partner. My name is Marielle, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, lovies! Oh my god. Woo!